I love watching America's Test Kitchen on TV, y'all. And the other day, they made this tacos Dorados that made me say, OMG. Y'all, it looked so fantastic that, well, here we are today. We're gonna make tacos Dorados. And we're gonna get started, okay? So, tacos Dorados is pretty much a taco. That's what you came here for, right? Old taco. But the shell, the tortilla is fried, okay? And that's awesome. Get a little crust on it, get a little crunch. It's just fantastic. So we're gonna get started. I got, how much beef do I have here? I got 1.44 pounds of beef, okay? And we're gonna add a little bit of baking soda. Gonna add just a little squirt of water. And I know you're saying, Hussey, why in the world are you squirting water in your beef? Well, America's Test Kitchen told me to. Apparently, it's a technique. You've seen me do Chinese food, and that's something that they do all the time. They put a baking soda in it, and it helps kind of lock in moisture, if you will. So I'm not going to go at this at a blazing fury by no means. I want to get the baking soda mixed in well with the beef, okay? So all good here. So I think that's good. Now, we're going to let this set for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes at the most. We got a few other things that we have to prep as well. And I got an onion, okay? Whoop. Oh, geez Louise. I was cute and then I wasn't cute, all right? Just got just a little small, I would call this small, I don't know. Just use as much onions as you want. I think I'm gonna use this whole onion. And we're gonna put a nice little dice on this as soon as I get this skin off. Just dicing 101 here, guys. Just make some vertical slits just like that. Okay, now you come in, make you a horizontal slit, and then just come down. You don't want a big dice, you want a nice fine dice on this. I'll be honest with y'all, this half onion might just be enough. I think I might make it enough. We're gonna come over to our griddle now. We're going to come in with a little bit of oil. This is just olive oil. Want to bring our onions. Want to lay it right there. All right, while that onion is just hanging out over there, getting happy, part of the tacos Dorados that really interests me a lot is they put cheddar cheese and made a mixture of it, a filling, if you will, okay? So I got 8 ounces of cheddar cheese that we're going to shred up real nice. And of course, I don't always use, for a fresh block like this. It's preferred, okay? Sometimes we just don't have time. Nice, beautiful Tillamook cheddar cheese. Our old onions, they're just hanging out. They're looking real good. Again, use as little or as much as you like, okay? Slit our onions kind of over into the middle. Now it's time for the meat. And I'm just gonna put our meat right there into the middle. Wanna mix our meat up really well. Just try to get it kind of unpacked, if you will. Bring our onions into the old mix as well. We're gonna season this up, okay? And we're gonna use a little bit of our own, this is just heifer dust. And then we're gonna come in with some fiesta dust, all right? That's gonna be your Mexican flavors. It's got your cumin. It's got your coriander, chili peppers. Whew. Boy, it smells good. Let's even this out right here, and I'll bring you right back. But hey, stick around till the end because, old Hussey makes some bloopers. All right, so it's been about a minute or so. We're just gonna, you see how that's caramelizing up? That's kind of a good thing. Now, I did give this a little bit of a nibble while we were away, while y'all were getting a drink, I want to add just a little bit more of our seasoning because I felt like it needed just a little bit more, All right, now, remember that cheese we grated over there? We're gonna put our cheese into our mixture. This is that cheddar cheese. If you wanted to do a Monterey Jack, old Colby Jack might work too, be good. Colby's a good old boy, and Jack is a good boy too. Somebody told me the other day that you left Jack out, Colby Jack, so I made sure I want to do a shout out to Jack with Colby, all right? So there we have it. And you're not looking to really make I don't want to make too much of a mess, but I want to get this cheese, because it is cold outside, get it onto the griddle so it starts melting in with the beef, okay? That's perfect. It's not completely melted. It's going to get melted as it goes, all right? Y'all, we got our meat done, got our griddle cleaned off best as possible. Now, put you a little bit of oil down. This happens to be peanut oil. More of like a frying oil. Corn tortillas. Got to do corn on this. I want to bring those down, and this is just, we're just warming these up to make them pliable, because right now, if you tried to fill these up and roll them or fold them, they would break on you. So you gotta make them pliable. And the best way to make them pliable is a little bit of oil, a little bit of heat. Okay, so I don't need long. I want to flip it over on this other side. Each one. Now, one thing you want to do, you want to keep these kind of warm. You want to keep them moist. Take a little towel, just a regular old towel. One that, you know, it's not your wife's favorite decorative towel. Y'all know what I'm talking about, boys. Don't use those. And we're just going to bring those, put them right onto this. All right, guys, our tortillas, we have them here. They are nice, they are warm. Now is the time we finish these tacos Dorados. So I'm going to start off with maybe 4. Whew, man, these things are hot. And I got a nice little spoon here. And what you do is you just make a nice little taco, just like that right there. It's kind of like a quesadilla, but not a quesadilla, okay? It's cold out here. Our beef is kind of seized up on me, but that's okay. We'll make the best out of it. So we're going to do however much we have here. I have this much meat, and I'm going to make however many tacos I can with what I got. And I'll bring you just right back. And again, I'm going to stress, y'all don't want to miss those bloopers at the end, so you just wait, okay? All right, we got all of our tacos made. They're sitting over here. Our griddle is on a nice low heat. Now we're going to fry these tacos. We're going to kind of shallow fry these. This is peanut oil. I'm using peanut oil. Normally I do avocado, olive oil. You can still do that. But for like a frying or a shallow frying, I like using peanut oil. So now we're going to take one of our tacos. I'm just going to start laying these onto our oil, or onto our griddle, really. And we're going to fry these dudes. I'll take some of this pulled up oil, bring it up to the front. My griddle's pitching a little bit towards me a little bit. That's okay. We're just going to help this oil to the tacos. Come on, baby, come to the tacos. Make sure they're nice and flat. Make sure they get all that kind of griddle love. Okay, we're going to give these about a minute, 2 minutes on each side. We're going to check them, and we'll come right back. All right, guys, it is time to start flipping. I can smell these tortillas. That tells me we're probably about ready. Ooh, look at that. Nice, golden, brown tacos. Oh, man. That cheddar cheese, it's melting nicely inside of there. We're going to cook these for another couple minutes on this other side. Make sure it gets nice and golden brown. And we're done. So y'all come back. Remember, bloopers. These things are done on this other side. Look at that nice golden brown. I want to put these over onto some paper towels. Blot up some of that grease, some of that oil. Ooh, man, alive. These things are gonna be crispy. I'm just gonna take another paper towel here and just kind of come over them to the top. You don't want the Andersons coming over and have a lot of, greasy mess, You might. Send them to the bathroom. All right, there we go. All right, so we have our tacos. They're resting here. You probably do not want to bite into these suckers right now because, well, it'd probably burn the hide off your tongue. But we have a lot of toppings here. Feel free to use however many toppings you want. You can go simple. You can go extravagant. Whatever you like to do. Ooh, look at that. Look at that right there. I'm gonna put just a little bit. This is Oaxaca cheese. Love Oaxaca cheese. You can put the Oaxaca cheese into the mixture if you like. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna do a little bit of shredded lettuce. I like some old pickled jalapenos. Okay, old pickled jalapenos. A little sour cream. Boy, I love sour cream too. Yeah, buddy. And then a little bit of Cholula. A little bit of Cholula. One of my favorite hot sauces. Just a little dash right there. Yes, sir. And then, well, y'all, let's try this taco. I know y'all been waiting. Cheers. Y'all hear that crunch? Dang it, boys and girls. That crispy exterior of that taco shell tortilla. Oh my gosh. That filling's so awesome. It's cheesy, and the Fiesta dust really works well. I love that lettuce. Cholula. I just love it. I love tacos. Y'all know what else I love more than tacos? Bloopers. Y'all, I love watching America's Test Kitchen. And the other day, I saw them make some Dorados. Doc. What are these things called? Tacos Dorados. Dorados. Y'all, one of my most favorite, what did I say? I didn't say that. I love America's Test. Yeah. What do you mean? Did you see that? I think this thing's weighted so well, it just, no matter how you put it, I think it does it so it makes anybody look good. Do that tonight. Okay. I love that tomato. I put tomato in it? No. I love that lettuce.